Hi, my name is Lakeisha Delanoy, and together with Shanique Felix and Danik Masman, we have created a digital marketing plan for OVD Swim. OVD Swim is a female-founded company started in 2016. The idea behind the business is to eliminate the problem most women have where they cannot find their sizes when shopping for swimwear. OVD Swim offers custom sizing as a solution for this problem. This company has four main problems: affiliate marketing, email marketing, social advertisement, and SEO. We made use of a digital health check to find out how the organization creates value and where value needs to be added. This check is divided by earned media, paid media, and owned media. The RACE framework shows that OVD Swim has a lot to add and improve in the plan, reach, and engage stage. To understand the target audience, we decided to use real customers to create 5 different personas. Each persona has a different customer journey. This customer journey also shows where the gap lies. It is very clear that the gap lies in the reach and engage stage. Another analysis that was made is the competitor analysis. We chose 3 different companies to compare OVD Swim with, and by the results, the benchmark shows that OVD Swim has a lot to improve compared to the 3 competitors. The most important partners of OVD Swims are Shopify, influencers, photographers, and DHL. Some potential partners are international influencers and bloggers. We also researched 3 top trends for OVD Swims. These are sustainability, social media as part of purchase journey, and influencer marketing. There are also important emerging technologies for OVD Swim. This is artificial intelligence and machine learning. After collecting all this information, we decided to do an internal and external analysis of OVD Swim by collecting strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We also formulated a couple of objectives such as increasing website visitors, increasing web conversion rate, and increasing the Instagram engagement rate. To confirm whether a product or service is positioned around the customer's values and needs, the value proposition canvas was used. As a result of using this framework, it was shown that the quality of the products and the customer service adds the most value to the customers. A content strategy plan was made to achieve the objectives and goals that were set for the company. To go more in depth of the digital marketing, we used the digital marketing mix. Each P has improvements and future additions that can be added to this company. The reach stage is the stage that needs the most improvement, and that is why we chose 3 different tactics for this stage: SEO, social media marketing, and affiliate marketing. We also made 2 email campaigns. The most effective emails, we used 8 steps: choosing our tools, identify the target audience, tactics to attract customers to join the email list, type of content, determine how often to send emails, determine how to draft content, and A/B testing, adjust the email according to performance. The first email was created to build awareness and to turn the audience into paying customers. The idea behind the second email was to inspire subscribers and increase website traffic. Apart from email campaigns, we also created a short-term campaign and a long-term campaign. The goal of the short-term campaign is to double the website traffic over the next month and to increase the sales by 5%. The goal of the long-term campaign is to get 1,000 euros in sales with every 1,000 website visitors within 6 months and to get 1,000 website visitors each week for 6 months. The website of OVD Swim also needed improvement. The first improvement was at the homepage. The head menu fits better with the branding of the brand, the value proposition is added on the image, and button text is specific and color of the button is changed. The sizing page was improved by adding a continue shopping button to make it easier for customers to continue shopping. The next page is the product page. As seen in the bottom left, a video was added to the product page. Another improvement is that the variants are button instead of drop-downs and the product details are visible on the page. We also added a campaign part to the homepage. There is a text where clients can clearly see the inspiration behind the new collection with an attractive product picture. OVD Swim had a gift card page, but this didn't work, so we added a gift card to this page. During the annual Black Friday sale, there was a lot of feedback about the express checkout option. It was not clear to clients that there were more payment options, and after seeing only 2 payment options, they would leave the website. This is why we removed the express checkout option. Reviews are also very important to our brand, so we added customer reviews with pictures of each customer. All the improvements that were made for the website was also made for the mobile version of the website of OVD Swim.